Hey gang, Dennis Tubbergen here with another economic update. Today is Monday, May the 7th, 2018. I have an article on the screen from CNN Money. The headline on the article is GE warns its subprime mortgage unit could file for bankruptcy. Now, I'll give you just a little bit from the article. GE shut down WMC, its mortgage business, in 2007 after the market for lending to risky borrowers collapsed. But the business still faces legal trouble, including lawsuits from investors and an investigation by the Justice Department. GE warned in a filing on Tuesday evening that WMC could file for bankruptcy if it loses one of those lawsuits. This appears to be the first time GE has said it's exploring bankruptcy for the defunct mortgage business. WMC was reportedly the nation's sixth biggest subprime lender when it was acquired by GE in 2004. Now, basically, WMC had 10,000 foreclosures between 2005 and 2007. Investors are suing WMC, saying that WMC misrepresented the quality of the mortgages it sold. Now, there's some legal questions that go on here, but the point is that this recovery that we've had has been largely deemed a recovery as people have been accumulating and companies have been accumulating more debt. There are going to be many corporate bankruptcies coming, I believe, as well as personal bankruptcies. This is from the site Economatters on April 30, and the big headline here is U.S. personal spending outpaces income growth for 26 straight months. Now, you don't really need to read a lot more of this article other than the headline. If personal spending outpaces income growth, and it's done that now for more than 2 years, at a certain point, you're going to see bankruptcies. That trend cannot continue forever. So my point is, as I've talked about in other economic updates, is that most of this recovery has come via debt accumulation by both companies and individuals. Worldwide, total debt that existed around the time of the financial crisis was about 140 trillion. Today, it's about 230 trillion, depending on whose numbers you want to take a look at, but significantly higher by more than 50%, and the inevitable outcome is going to be more bankruptcies and an economic slowdown. Now, the what is obviously a lot easier to predict than the when. However, you'll want to be cautious. You'll want to make sure that your assets are protected from a big market drawdown, and certainly be patient, because we don't know exactly when all this will happen, but these trends are simply unsustainable. I'm Dennis Tubbergen, and that's your economic update for May 7, 2018.